Alright, what's going on, guys? I'm gonna close the garage because it's very snowy out. And I am pretty sick, so I can't really talk that well, and it kind of hurts to talk. But today I'm gonna be doing I'm gonna gut my muffler. I know it's kind of rice, but I watched a bunch of videos and it actually does sound pretty good, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. And if I mess up, you know, it's only $50 for another stock muffler, and there's a couple of them on Craigslist right now, so I'll pick those up if I mess this up. But yeah, I'm gonna be cutting it and welding it shut after I gut it. Guys, all this snow is melting off like crazy. I should have brushed some of it off, but like it dripped all over me and it's just making a mess. But we're almost done. I'm working underneath the car. Just gotta get these two mounts off. Well, guys, I got it down. It just fell off the jack. It was kind of funny. It's like on its side. But yeah, I'm gonna start cutting it open soon. Alright guys, we got it off. Oh my god, guys, I really cannot talk, but oh my god, it's been like fucking 2 hours. I just finally got it out, and sorry for my voice. Look at that. I hacked the shit out of it. So I'm gonna have to do a lot of welding, and yeah, that's good practice at least. Everything's cleaned up, so I'm gonna start welding. Alright guys, it's now the next day. Got the muffler off. I couldn't record, but I already brought it to Mitchell's house with Brendan, and had to go to something for college, so I'm just gonna be driving with no muffler again. It actually sounds pretty good, except for the hardware's rattling around, or not the hardware. The flanges are rattling around, so I'm trying to get this muffler back on really quick. So I'm gonna go pick it up. Hopefully it'll be done soon. Alright guys, so I'm outside of Brendan's house now. Just waiting for him to get in. We're gonna go back to Mitchell's and take a look at that muffler. There he is. What's up, dude? What's up, dude? Scooby-Dooby-Doo. On our way to Mitchell's now. Great idea in the neighborhood. Yeah.
Alright guys, Jake's about to do a little poll, so let's see how she sounds. So we were just cruising and we saw Coating out a step light, so we stomped on it.
Step light?
At a stoplight. So then we just stomped on it. He's somewhere back there. Wow, he's really far back there.
Alright guys, so just got to Mitchell's house. This kid has literally like 3 or 4 Subarus that are upwards of 400, 500 horsepower. This guy has a shop, it's crazy. It's literally like the car guy's dream house. And there's a bunch of just cars in the back and cars everywhere he's working on. It's just so cool. Look at that, guys. This place is sick, guys. Got an RB. Wait, is this an RB 25 or 26?
25.
RB 25 240, are you guys?
Alright, no, you don't know the setting.
Beautiful.
This color on the 240.
finishing my muffler up. Look at that, guys.
Cracked all the way from here.
Holy shit. Man,
Yeah, but it's balanced though.
It's balanced, guys. Look at this truck. Holy shit. Is this the one that got vandalized?
Yep.
Oh yeah, guys, so they picked up this car. Someone vandalized the shit out of it before they bought it, not after, so that's good. But it's got a whole bunch of dents and somebody stomped all over the hood, kicked the windshield out. You can see like there's like
Tape that.
yeah, there's like van marks on it. So someone was kicking it with the vans.
Right here on the door, Vans marks.
You can't really see.
it on
Oh, right here.
Right there.
Long time ago though, so I mean this car's been like this.
Sad.
I know.
It's an LE too. It's got the
sunroof.
sunroof, which it means it had leather seats. So
This guy knows the Subaru's right here. Alright guys, see your boy Jake's taking a piss. Well, that's a lot better now. Alright, so the muffler's almost done, guys. Just doing some finishing touches. Laying that last bead, I think. And he painted up like the other weld so that it doesn't rust. Alright guys, we just finished the muffler. Looks really good. It's all painted up, so we'll let it cool down. Alright guys, so got the muffler and we're heading home. What are these, like little fucking tiny cats or just I don't know, glass backs or something? I hope, because it's about to be so loud. Alrighty, so we're just gonna throw her on. Oh shit, can you head home? Fuck, hang on. So just got the muffler back in.
speaking of you things,
I'm gonna take this guy and then take this guy home. And I'll put it on and then I'm gonna do a little sound clip for you guys. So here's another startup just without it. Alright.
peace.
Brennan's peacing out. Gotta put this muffler on when I get home. See ya, man.
I'll catch you Sunday probably, or Saturday when we buff.
Alright, sounds good.
Peace out, guys.
See ya. Alright guys, so I got back to my house and I just put the muffler back on. So here we go. Here's the first start. First time me hearing it. Ooh, it's a lot quieter. I like that. Wow guys, it's a lot quieter. I really like that. Alright guys, that pretty much wraps up this episode of the E36 muffler delete. It's actually a lot quieter, pretty surprised. So it's actually pretty good how I want it. There is a little whistle, which is as to be expected with those gaps that I created with the angle grinder. So, you know, just want to thank you all for watching and have a good one.